tar spots all over our car. See them? They're doing chip and seal in Michigan, and it's making a mess out of the vehicles. So, bug and tar remover from Rain-X. See it? I'm going to do this half with that. So just put a gel coat. It's a light gel coat. Kind of sticks. And the other side I'm going to use a different material, and we'll see how it does. Okay, product number 2 is Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover. I'm going to spray this on this side. I'm not going to let them overlap there in the middle. Don't want that to happen. So I spray it gently. It's kind of a foaming action. So this one you wash off, this one you wipe off. So I'll wipe this one off first, and then I'll wash this one off. When you get close, you can see all the tar. See it there? The other side's the same. Tar everywhere. Thank you, State of Michigan. You see the left side, the turtle wax is kind of a gel. You see the slimy drops? This side's kind of a foamy, runny. See the foam on the bumper there? So we'll see which one does best. Okay, with the turtle wax, which is on the right, you're just supposed to take a terry cloth towel and wipe it off. So I'll get my lovely assistant who will help me. See it coming on? Come up close so you can see it. I'll wipe it.
I do a before and after.
I did it before. Watch the tar. See, there's a spot right there. It's not coming off. It's, you rub on it, just getting smaller and smaller. There, it's gone. Can you see it?
Come over here and get this corner where the wax remover, tar remover was.
Okay, so that's that. That's this side. There are some stubborn spots that don't want to come off. But you just rub on them, and it tells you on the turtle wax container to reapply if necessary. All right, now the other side, instead of using a dry cloth, you're supposed to use a wet one. And you'll watch, you'll see that this stuff comes off the goo. See it? It's kind of a gooey coat. And I don't know whether I sprayed up in there, so because I tried to keep them separate. Not a good idea to mix chemicals. And this one you let set for 3 to 5 minutes. The other one you let set for a minute.
Though I have found that if you let it set a little bit more than a minute, it works a little better. Yeah. I sprayed the front part of the side first, and it came off much better the farther I got back.
So this, if you look, you see a gel that's kind of there. It hangs on. The other side we kind of washed it first and then applied, so there's no grit. I'll have to do this separate because I didn't mix the chemicals here, so this didn't get sprayed. So I'll rinse this off and we'll see which side looks the best. Sprayed here either. Right, let me get the power washer and I'll get that done. Okay. This is the turtle wax. You see there's a couple spots right in there. Of course, it tells you to do it again. There are some light tar marks. I wonder if you can see them or not. Okay. And this is no man's zone, so it's overspray from both sides. This is the other one, and you can see there's a few tar marks there as well. Not many, but there's some. So Rain-X bug and tar versus turtle bug and tar. So, all right, I didn't know they're both about the same to me. The price is about the same too. The difference is that with the turtle, you don't have to wash it. So I'll come back and hit those spots and just wipe it off. So have a good day and have fun getting the bugs and the tar off your car. Let's all hope for better roads. I think I like the turtle wax better for touch-ups than I do for washing the vehicle, because that foam doesn't get everywhere. It allows you to do an individual dot or spot for touch-up and just wipe off. The foam is easier when you're washing the whole car though. The two products have their own specialties and best uses and best practices. I like the foam for washing the whole vehicle, and I like the mist or spray for just the touch-up. So have a good day and have fun keeping the tar off your car.